So on June the 3rd, 2026 in Krakow in Poland, I was invited to do a guest speak or talk at Elemental Day, their first ever one, and I was really honored to do that. And it was an opportunity for me to talk about my life, a little bit kind of like my journey from working in the corporate world to content creating, full-time YouTubing and web designing. I have to say that there is quite a lot I held back on because I was worried about how would people take what I say and how I deliver it as well. I was trying to be sincere, and also I didn't want to get overly emotional either during it, so I was very well presented in how I did it, or I like to think I did. But there was so much more I wanted to talk about. I only had half an hour, and rather than it being all about my life, I wanted to also discuss about Elemental version 4, the whole atomic editor, Angie, and just how I enjoy what I do, content creating. Obviously, you know that because I create videos. But it did kind of make me think a lot when I reflect on what I did in that. Oh, I should mention as well, by the way, it was great to meet the Elemental people. To see people that you see on screen a lot and I've chatted to every now and again, and it might just be like via an email or a LinkedIn message or even on Slack, but to actually meet them face to face. And they are all genuinely wonderful, wonderful people. But back to the talk. So to be able to do that on reflection, it made me realize how I want to share more about my life. Now, I've spoken about things that have happened in my life before briefly on posts or videos, but I've never really gone into detail. I know I've spoken about how I left the NHS. There's a whole lot more to it in that I almost feel like I had to leave because I started to feel like I was starting to hating working in the NHS. There's a lot more to that story. And I started hating what I was doing and how I was treated by a lot of people that managed me and stuff like that. I'll talk more about that. But I want to do a lot more telling you about my life, stuff that's going on with me and my son and our family and everything, stuff about how I sometimes feel with my own extended family as well, and how I sometimes feel pressured into behaving certain ways. I just feel like there's so much more stories I could tell. But one of the big reasons why I feel like I want to do this is after I did my talk, a lot of people said they really appreciated understanding me a whole lot better. Because when a lot of us content creators do videos, what you see is like the studio appearance. Even if we're out and about, everything is not rehearsed, but we're having to perform to a persona or the way we behave. Maybe we're very serious, but actually we are a lot more chilled out. I think a lot of people, and I won't name some of them, they saw me a little bit more chilled out, when I met them and I was a bit more relaxed and having a laugh. And that's a side of me that I don't think a lot of people see. I'm also going to do a separate video, by the way, about WordCamp Europe 2026 in Poland, Europe, Krakow, which is why Elemental Day, June the 3rd was. But that's a separate video. So this video is not about that, and I'm not going to share loads of details yet, but I'm just pre-warning you because some people have said to me in the past, but don't like it when I do talking videos. They just want to watch videos where I do a tutorial, which is totally fine and understandable because that's how I built up my brand and the whole YouTube channel. But I do sometimes do talking videos about business, clients, productivity, and all that side of things. There are going to be, I think, quite a few talking videos coming out where I share more about my life, whether it was with the NHS, whether it was with how I found WordCamp, whether it was something to do with my personal life as well, because I feel like it's going to give you a window to me, and you might suddenly appreciate or understand a little bit more what I go through or what I am going through, but also it might be something that you might connect to as well. I'm not doing these videos to sell you a course or anything like that, okay? I'm not saying, oh yeah, feel sorry for me, sympathy, let's all have a cry. It's none of that. But I do think that there is sometimes something about real stories because you will relate to it or you might have shared experiences, and I really feel like it's important. And also, I want to just be true and honest because I do feel like whenever I'm doing videos, tutorials, A to B to C, I feel like sometimes it's very easy just to assume that that's all I have in my life and that we're making loads of money off YouTube and selling courses and doing web designs and we're charging $1 million and whatever. And that's so far from the reality of it. So I really do want to share a lot more. And a lot of people, after I did my talk, did come to me and say that they wouldn't mind if I did more of those. So that's the whole basis of what I'm going to be doing. It's also a major opportunity for me to get some things off my chest, because there's a lot of things that I have felt that have troubled me for years and years. One thing that's been troubling me for nearly 11 years now, that I've never put out on screen, on camera, out into the public domain, because I'm worried about the backlash or reaction I'll get. And also I've been warned by some people not to talk about certain things because it's just don't talk about it. But I really feel like I do need to put some things out there, and I won't mention names. So if anyone can infer who I'm talking about, that's up to you, but I'm not going to mention names because they have massively affected my lifestyle, my life and me, and had huge, profound effects upon me. And I just want to get stuff out there. So you are going to see some talking videos, which are my life story stuff coming out. But that doesn't mean you're going to see more of them and less tutorials. It just means that maybe once a week, there might be the odd life story that comes out. Because in actual fact, I wanted to do these 6 or 7 story videos last year. And I planned them out. And when I say planned them out, I kind of jotted down what I need to make sure I cover in what order. And then I didn't record any of them. I got scared, afraid to record any of them. And none of them are controversial, really, but I just was scared. And then in January, I said, no, you are going to do it. Share it out there. Not to show off your brand or build up humility, but I wanted to do it. But again, in January, I decided not to. Now, on the back of Elemental Day, I am now going to record those videos, and you will see them coming out. So if you don't like them, don't watch them. But it'd be interesting to know what you think and if you're able to relate to it. So they are coming.